Alright guys, so we are currently going to the gondola. Pretty much, this is what a gondola is. It's pretty much this right here. This is where we're going, as you guys can see. So, where do they have this?
In Italy.
It's pretty much like a similar thing, but it's not in Italy, of course. We're gonna have some fun over here at the gondola. I'm gonna let you guys know more information on prices and stuff. And yeah. Guys, alright, this is it. Guys, as you guys can see right here in the water, at the bottom, it is literally full of money. Guys, as you guys can see right here, it feels like it's outdoor, but it's not. It's actually a roof. It's just curved to make it look like it is outdoor, but in reality it's not. And this looks like Venice. Alright guys, so the worker over here, she just informed us that there's actually 2 rides for this gondola over here. There's one that is in here, and then she said there's another one that's outdoors, which is here too. She said it's downstairs, but it's outdoors. But she said that ride is fully booked for the night, and we're probably gonna have to have no choice and end up doing this one.
No, mijo, qué hermoso te ves con el cielo. Combina, bravo.
Es como un ángel, mira,
eres un ángel, mijo, estás en el lugar que tienes que estar.
Guys, so we're actually gonna go and check the outside gondola because it might not be fully booked. All right, let's go.
Where's it at?
Oh, guys, by the way, every woman in this elevator is cranky right now because they haven't eaten food. Wow, guys, incredible. Look at this, guys. Check out this fountain, this beautiful fountain. Yeah, this is very pretty. Wow, this is beautiful. This right here, outside gondola. We're gonna see if it's fully booked. If it's not, we are definitely gonna do it. Prices right now is just $29 pretty much. We are going to book the gondola right now for tomorrow at 8:45 because we are 3 couples and right now they are fully booked. Thank you. Sign in, please. Thank you.
You're going to want to be in line if you can right next to this kiosk at 8:35, okay?
Perfect, sounds awesome. Alright guys, so we just booked the gondola and we are going to actually do it tomorrow. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I am wearing a different shirt, and that is because we actually did the reservation yesterday and today we're going to be riding it. So today is when I'm really taking you on a ride along. So yeah guys, we got our reservation for 8:40. Alright guys, so we are currently here. We are about to go in right now.
How many?
2.
There you guys go.
Thank you.
Let's go down here. Are you ready?
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, buonasera guys. How are you tonight, huh?
Good.
You guys have been to Las Vegas before?
No, first time.
Oh, see, this is my favorite. I can lie to you all I want.
Yeah.
No. Eddie, one big favor, please. Do not touch the water. I promise you I'm saving your life. It's not nice water. Your hands go in the water, come out just bones, I promise.
Yo, kid, stand right there to see if you can ride. Yeah, I think you can ride.
Yeah, I think you're the one that can ride. You're about that height.
I can ride.
Yo.
Oh,
Some shit happened
disgusting, dude.
What's going on here, guys? 6 feet, 6 feet.
All right, you guys have found your courage? All right, let's go for adventure. Release the passeggeri, huh? Right next to him, because it's a love boat, you know. Allora, Procopio, andiamo presto con Greggio. Forse... Okay, well, now, you guys, you just say till tomorrow, but this is still time enough for trouble in Las Vegas. So
Yeah.
I tell you what, you find yourself in jail, you call Stefano, I have a cousin, get you out, I promise. It's always good to have friends in Las Vegas, you know.
Yeah.
Now, if you forget Stefano, it's okay. You grab the bars, and you yell very loudly, Guido! Guido! Everybody knows who Guido is, you're going to be fine, I promise you. I will warn you ahead of time, it's kind of a barter situation, but I'll let you guys work that out with Guido, okay? You want me to try to distract you with a love song?
Yes.
All right, then. If you don't like it, just let me know. It won't hurt my feelings, I promise you. Oh, yeah, I have to kneel down, or sometimes I hit my head on the bridge, you know?
Yeah.
I go home, I do not recognize my wife and children, you know? My wife just shakes her head and goes, oh, hit your head on the bridge. Ardirano le rondini senza l'addio partì Non ti scordar di me, la vita mia legato a te, la vita mia legato a te. C'è sempre nido del mio cuore per te, non ti scordar di me. Oh, that's very kind of you. You guys are very kind. This is a nice love song, you guys. This song says, since this first kiss, I cannot forget you. And I hope that you cannot forget me.
Wow.
Oh, and you know what? We're not even done yet, guys. Huh? Another bridge, another love song, I promise you. We got the love songs coming out of our ears here. Non lasciarmi solo. Vieni tu, vieni tu, vieni tu, vieni tu, mio amore. Ridorami, cara mia, ti amo. Solo tu, solo tu, solo tu, solo tu, mio cuore. Bambino, alla santa venuta, vieni tu, vieni tu, solo tu, solo tu, mio amore.
Wow. Bravo, bravo, bravo.
Oh, you guys make me feel good. You stay with me the rest of the day, maybe.
Does it ever get tiring to have to sing along?
Not for me.
You like it?
I do enjoy it. You know what? For many years I was opera singer.
Oh, wow.
And so, you know, and plus I think you have to be smart about it too. You know, you have to learn to pace yourself and what you can or cannot do. You know.
Yeah.
But this is not especially hard for me because after so many years of singing so loud and long, you know, that does not bother me. Now there are a lot of gondolieri who don't know how to do this and they do lose their voices. You know. What is she waving at you? Does she know you? Oh yeah. Well, she seems to know you. I don't know.
That was good.
Yeah, it's too bad we don't know who she is. She just showed up with a stripy shirt one day and started singing.
Oh, wow.
This song's pretty good, so we thought, hey, we'll let her do it.
Wow.
That song she was singing, O Sole Mio, is actually a very nice song. The song says, you are the sun to me. Remove those safety belts. I do have a question for you, though.
Yes.
Do you think those safety belts save your lives?
No.
No.
No, I don't think so. It's all illusion, guys, I'm telling you.
It's all an illusion, yes.
Now, do me one big favor, though. Do not stand up until we tie off the boat.
Yes,
okay?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
I don't want you falling in the water, coming out just bones, huh?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you guys, you know what? Whatever time you do have left in Las Vegas, hey, have a good time, okay?
Yes,
Thank you.
we will.
You are welcome. Good to
Thank you.
There you go, like professionals.
Thank you.
Good job, you guys.
Thank you.
You come see us again.
Thank
okay?
you. Thank you. All right, guys. So we just finished the ride right there. As you guys could see, the people who work here are clearly from Italy, and they just talk to you about stuff and whatever. They try to make conversation with you. So yeah, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on what you think, and if you want to come here, the information is going to be down below. This video is getting a little long, so we're going to end it here. I'm going to see you on the next one. I hope you guys are enjoying the content I've been putting out there, and peace, guys. See you on the next one.